that's nasty. That's nasty. Oh my gosh, that's the worst. Welcome to RidgeLife. Super excited today. Our coyote trapping package came in. This is an assortment of tools and traps and things we'll need to trap coyotes here out on the ridge. So let's do an unboxing and see what all we got today. Let's see what we got. This is exciting. Oh boy, love opening packages. It's like Christmas, unboxing time for trappers around the world. We have 6 number 2 Duke Offset traps. We've got 6 fang stakes and a stake driver. Ooh, this is a good one here. Let's get this one unwrapped. This is one's going to be very handy for coyotes. This thing is heavy duty. FPS powder coated 3-in-1 tool. It's a trowel, hammer, and a hoe. Now for the goodies. Let's open this up. See what we got all in here. Oh yeah. More packages inside packages. Can't beat it. Alright, this one here, I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Another, man, they sure wrap this stuff good, don't they? Okay, let's see what's inside here. Alright, this was something I didn't think I needed initially, but for our dog-proof traps we saw in another video, this is the setting tool for it. So on the dog-proof trap, the latch mechanism, you push down on this and this allows the lever to go down the center. I was using the driver rod to do it, but you're really pushing it on one side. It's a little more difficult, so this will be so much easier, and I can keep this on the Kubota too. Next thing in our package are some attachment rings so we can attach our traps to our fang stakes. These make it very convenient. Next in the list, we have a really nice sifter. It's a metal sifter, not plastic. Should last a lot longer than a plastic one. We have our number 2 pan covers. These go across the top, and I'll show you how these work in just a moment. Last package to open. This is the good stuff. So what we've got here is, this is a Meat Supreme Predator bait. I'll show you that in just a second. And we've got 100% coyote urine. Woof. Okay, we've got Fox and Coyote Magnet 1000. And we've got some long distance call lures. I'll show you all these here. I'll look close up here in just a second. We have our lures open. So this first one is FPS 3 Meat Supreme Predator bait, Fox, Coyote, Raccoon, and Bobcat. Let's open this up. Oh, it's just like grossed up meat, minced up meat. Oof, oof. Doesn't smell too good, but apparently they'll like it. The next one is FPS Baits and Lure, 100% Coyote urine. We'll open this up. It's probably going to smell just like we think it's going to smell. Oh, that's nasty. That's nasty. Oh my gosh, that's the worst. Next one in the list is Bibles, Baits, and Lures, Fox and Coyote Magnet 1000. Whoosh, that is rotten. That is, oh, that's some rotten stuff. Oh, apparently they like it. Last but not least is Bibles, Baits, and Lures, Long Distance Call Lure. And this one's a little bit lighter colored. Oh, that one is like fishy. Oh, that one's like fishy. So apparently raccoons, fox, coyote, They love nasty smelling stuff, so we got some nasty smelling stuff to give them. How all this works is we have our Duke number 2 offset traps, and we have these quick connects here, and your fangs, you know, we showed in another video, you pound the fang in the ground, and then on these, we wrap it around. We'll have one through the quick connect and one through here, so the trap can swivel and swivel and swivel around. Of course, the multi-purpose three-use tool here is trowel will make a hole for the trap. Okay. Of course, the hammers to hammer the driver in for the stakes, and the trowel, you know, we can dig the hole for the bait. Now we'll show you that in another video. The pan covers. Once we have the trap open and in the hole, we'll put the pan cover over, and then use the sifter to sift dirt on top of it. That way it looks smooth and flat, but when the animal steps on the pan cover, it'll close up over them, and there's nothing to hinder it from closing. As far as the baits, we will use the trowel, again the 3-in-1 tool. We'll dig a hole, turn it, and pull this out, that plug there, and that hole will be right on the other side of the trap. We can put the bait down in the hole, and as the animal comes in to smell or get the bait, they'll step in the trap, catch their foot. Them being offset traps, it doesn't provide really hurting pressure on the animal's leg. We'll go ahead and demonstrate how to set one of these traps. Of course, I got my nice old Crocs on here. I don't know if I'll be able to do it with my Crocs on, but I will step on either side, which allows it to open. Once you get it open, you can push that down and get the pan on the lever, very much similar to our dog-proof traps. Now it is set. Now, this side here swivels, but you make sure you never stick your hand inside there. Now we can put the pan cover on, and the pan cover goes like this, and it has a slot for the lever. You don't want to flip the pan, try to flip the cover out of the way. This being an offset trap, like I mentioned, there's this gap here, and then that we don't want to cut the circulation off on the animal's leg and cause it any injury or damage, especially if a deer gets in there. Of course, a deer will pull out, and we'll put them off the deer trails, but we'll put it where the coyotes will get to it. But this is how it works. The animal is caught in the trap. The offsets provide not too much pressure. Of course, we'll come up, dispatch the animal, step on either side, release, and then take care of the animal. I am super excited to get these traps out on the ridge here and take care of some of our larger predators. You've seen our live box cages around the barn. You've seen our dog-proof traps that are just outside of that perimeter. We'll put these farther out in the woods to take care of the fox and the coyotes. I don't want them anywhere near our dogs or our neighbors' dogs, so they'll be deep in the woods, which they shouldn't be out there. We control our animals, just like our neighbors control theirs as well. But if a dog was to get it caught in here, it would again not damage them permanently, and I could release them and let them go. We'll have a video coming up very soon of us setting these traps. Until that time, everyone have a blessed day and go RidgeLife.